Have you ever wished there were little shortcuts in life that made things easier, faster, and less stressful? The good news is, they exist. Life hacks are clever, practical tricks that help you solve everyday problems in creative ways. And today, I'll show you exactly how to start using them step by step. Welcome to HowExpert Tip of the Day, where we bring you real-world tips from our how-to guides on all topics from A to Z. If you want to learn even more in-depth strategies, examples, and techniques on this topic, check out HowExpert Guide to 365 Life Hacks, available at Amazon, Audible, Barnes & Noble, Google, Kobo, Apple, Spotify, and all major bookstores as an ebook, paperback, hardback, and audiobook. Life hacks matter because they give you back one of your most valuable resources, time. When you know the right shortcuts, you can solve problems faster, save money, and reduce unnecessary stress. Let's dive into 6 clear steps that will help you start using life hacks daily and make your routine easier, smarter, and more fun. Step number 1, start with small wins. The best way to build a life hack mindset is to start small. Pick 1 or 2 hacks that immediately solve a problem you face every day. For example, if tangled cords frustrate you, try using binder clips at the edge of your desk to keep your chargers in place. If mornings feel rushed, lay out your clothes the night before. Small wins give you instant results and motivate you to try more. Think of them as proof that tiny tweaks can change your entire day. Step number 2, organize your environment with hacks. Clutter is one of the biggest time wasters. Life hacks can turn chaos into order with minimal effort. For instance, use an empty paper towel roll to keep plastic bags neatly stored inside a drawer. Or repurpose an old shoe organizer by hanging it on the back of a door to hold cleaning supplies, snacks, or even craft tools. When everything has its place, you not only save time searching for things, but you also feel calmer and more in control of your space. Step number 3, hack your productivity. Life hacks aren't just about household tricks. They can supercharge your workday too. One powerful hack is the 2-minute rule. If a task takes less than 2 minutes, do it immediately. Replying to that short email, rinsing a dish, or jotting down a reminder right away clears mental clutter and prevents small things from piling up. Another hack? Use your phone's voice assistant to capture ideas instantly instead of relying on memory. Productivity hacks aren't about working harder, they're about working smarter. Step number 4, hack your health and energy. Your body is your fuel source, so learning quick health hacks can make a big difference. For example, drink a full glass of water as soon as you wake up. It rehydrates your system and gives you a natural energy boost before coffee. Meal prep doesn't have to take hours. Simply chop extra veggies at dinner and store them in containers for tomorrow's lunch. Even taking the stairs instead of the elevator when it's just a few floors up is a hack that sneaks fitness into your day. These small shifts compound into more energy, better focus, and less stress. Step number 5, save money with everyday hacks. Who doesn't love keeping more money in their pocket? Life hacks can help you cut costs without cutting quality. One simple example, freeze leftover herbs in olive oil using an ice cube tray. Later, pop one into a pan to season your cooking. No more wasting wilted herbs. Or, instead of buying expensive air fresheners, simmer a pot of water with cinnamon sticks and orange peels for a natural, cozy scent. When you see how these little tricks reduce waste and save cash, you'll be hooked on finding more. Step number 6, create a system for discovering and using new hacks. Life hacks are everywhere, but they only help if you actually use them. Create a simple system for collecting hacks you want to try. Maybe you keep a note on your phone, a Pinterest board, or even a small journal where you jot them down. Each week, pick 1 hack to experiment with. Some will stick, some won't, and that's okay. The goal is to keep learning, testing, and customizing hacks that truly fit your lifestyle. Over time, you'll build a personal toolkit of hacks that save you time, money, and stress every single day. Real-life examples of hacks in action. Let's imagine a busy morning. You wake up, drink your glass of water, and already feel more awake. Your clothes are laid out from the night before, so you save 5 minutes choosing an outfit. Breakfast? You grab overnight oats you prepped in a jar instead of fumbling with cooking. Before heading out the door, you check your cords, neatly held by binder clips, and toss your lunch into a bag already portioned from leftovers. In less than an hour, you've used at least 5 life hacks without even thinking about it. That's the power of making them part of your routine. HowExpert Tip: combine hacks for maximum impact. Don't just use hacks in isolation, layer them. For example, if you want to save money and eat healthier, meal prep using freezer hacks for herbs and portioned containers for snacks. If productivity is your goal, pair the 2-minute rule with batching similar tasks together. The magic happens when hacks support each other, turning your routine into a seamless, efficient system. When you start with small wins, organize your environment, boost productivity, take care of your health, save money, and create a system for testing new hacks, life hacks become more than just clever tricks. They become a lifestyle of simplicity, efficiency, and empowerment. Here's your challenge. Pick just one life hack today from this video. Maybe the binder clip trick, the 2-minute rule, or the glass of water in the morning. Try it for a full week. Notice how such a simple change creates more ease in your day. Once you feel that difference, add another hack. Soon, you'll build a chain of improvements that transform your daily life. For even more tips, techniques, and practical examples on this topic, check out HowExpert Guide to 365 Life Hacks, available at Amazon, Audible, Barnes & Noble, Google, Kobo, Apple, Spotify, and all major bookstores as an ebook, paperback, hardback, and audiobook. HowExpert publishes how-to guides on all topics from A to Z. Visit howexpert.com to learn more.